We are at the Adelaide Motorsport Festival and you're about to witness something spectacular. 3 very different classes of cars that are going to go head to head against a Redbull Air race plane and see who's going to come out on top. We're going to go catch up with the drivers and the pilot right now and see what they think is going to win.
Hi, I'm Matt Hall. I'm Redbull Air race pilot. Here this weekend I've got one of my old race planes. It's about 350 horsepower, but only weighs 500 kilos, so it's got an extremely good power to weight ratio, and it's also very fast. So I'll be doing some drag races out here on the weekend, seeing how I match myself against a Porsche, a Brabham, and a Formula 1 car. I'll also be then putting the plane through its pace to show what it can do. 400 kilometres an hour, 12G, a bit of rolling and down low. So stay tuned and see how it goes. There
he goes. Wow. God, look at the turn on the plane. Almost a bit of a storm.
Yeah, hi, I'm David Brabham, Managing Director of Brabham Automotive, and here behind me is the stunning Brabham BT62. It's a high-performance track car built to demand more of the driver. And the reason for that is because this car is under 1,000 kilos. It's 972 kilos. It's got 700 horsepower, Brabham V8, 5.4 litre, 1,200 kilos of downforce. This thing is a rocket ship. And I'm going to go out there on the pit straight and I'm going to go up against a Red Bull racing plane. That'll be cool.
How'd you go?
Oh man, that was a blast. I've never raced a plane before, but yeah, I came around the old Formula 1 pit lane as the plane's just sitting there, and I just absolutely gunned it, and off I went. And the idea was that when the plane gets beside me, which we thought it would do, it would pop up about, you know, above the height of the car, just in case something happened. But because when I went down the straight, I looked across and he was literally only like this far off the ground. And I'm looking at this plane next to me, I'm coming up to the exit and I'm going, if I don't back off, we're gonna hit. So I had to back off, and then he just flies straight up. So that was pretty cool. I hear everyone else thought it was pretty amazing as well.
So I'm Ivan Capelli. I'm driving the Leyton House CG89. This is a car built in 1989. 600 horsepower. The weight is 575 kilos. With the driver, a little bit more probably, especially now after 20 years. But this is a very powerful car, and I will try to challenge the airplane in the drag race that we are going to have in a few seconds.
Festival, Flying versus car, Australian versus Italian, on the front straight, rolling race, it's on, it's going, got one in there, second blind from that hole.
Okay, so I'm really proud because we won the race against the airplane. I was warming up the tires quite a lot in the warming up lap, obviously, and when I reached the hairpin, I looked at the airplane, but as soon as I accelerate, I lost the view. I couldn't see where the airplane was, but anyway, I'm proud actually that we were so quick and we won the race.